Hello and welcome to the channel once again. The name is Boy. Here in this video I'm going to show you how to use the AU Ramdisk on Windows, on how to remove passcode, iPhone unavailable or the iPhone disable screen. So here I do have the iPhone unavailable or the passcode device in hand, and I'll show you how to use the AU Ramdisk as I promised to show you the method for the Windows users. So here, without wasting much time, let's switch to our Windows desktop to begin the procedure. Okay, so here on our Windows computer, we just have to move to our browser, and in our browser we search for the unlock, which the site is been in this video description, so make sure to check this video description for the link for unlock. So after pasting in the link, here is the website of the unlock. So here we do see a couple of tools in here, but we are focusing on the AU Ramdisk for Windows, and here we have to download the AU Ramdisk for Windows. So just click on the download and wait for the download to begin. So for the Mac users, I have made a video on the AU Ramdisk for Mac. So here you can download it from here, the Mac version, and I also have a video for you guys, so make sure to check the description for it. And here we have our download being finished downloading, and we can now close from our browser and move to the download folder. So let's move to our download folder, but before we have to disable the antivirus or the Windows Defender on our device. So let's disable it real quick, and after we've repair our device, we can turn on the real-time protection again. So now we can close from the Windows security and move to our download folder. So here in our download folder, we do have the AU Ramdisk right over here. You just have to extract the AU Ramdisk. So you just extract it onto your desktop or in your download folder. So let's click on extract and wait for the extraction of the Ramdisk to be done. So here we have it been done, so I'll drag it onto my desktop. So now you can close from your download folder and launch the AU Ramdisk folder, open it, and we will launch the AU Ramdisk tool from the it folder. So here we do have the AU Ramdisk version 4.2 right over here, so just click on it, and for the first time running the tool, you have to allow this tool to be run on your computer. So here just run it anyway on your computer, and after that wait for the tool to launch, and when the tool launches, we will connect our locked device to the computer. So let's wait for the tool to launch, and here we have the tool, which is the AU Ramdisk Pro version 4.2. so here we have to connect our device to the computer. So let me drag this to the left side of the screen and switch to our locked device. So here on our locked device, let's connect the USB cable to the device to pair it to the computer, but we do have USB restrictions, so we have to get our device into recovery mode or the DFU mode. So here I'll put the device into recovery mode using the key combination associated with my device. So now we have our device in recovery mode, so we just have to move to the AU Ramdisk Pro and read device in the AU Ramdisk, and now we have our device details in the tool. iPhone 7 Plus, you can see the ECID, device in recovery, and we do have our device being registered. So we have to put our device into DFU using the DFU helper in the AU Ramdisk. So just follow the instruction in the DFU helper to get your device into DFU. So just use the key combination associated with your device. For me, I'm using the side button and the volume down to get my device into DFU mode. So here I have my device getting into DFU mode. So when your device get into DFU, you should have black screen. And if your device fails to get into DFU, just follow the instructions again and get your device into DFU. So after getting your device into DFU successfully, you will have a successful prompt saying your device is in DFU. So the next step is to put our device into pan DFU. So here we have to use the PANDFU option right over here. Click on the bottom and wait for your device to be PANDFU. So now wait for the exploit to be done successfully. So we have the exploit successfully done. Now we have our device in the PANDFU mode. So we can proceed with the booting of the Ramdisk, but we have to check the iOS version of the Ramdisk type for our device. So here we are selecting the iOS 12 to 15. Check that option and then click on boot Ramdisk, and you'll be prompted to download the Ramdisk file for your device. So this may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. So if you do have good internet speed, this should take less than a minute to download the Ramdisk type for your device. So just wait for the download of the Ramdisk file to be done and start exploiting the Ramdisk file onto your device. And at this stage, when the Ramdisk file start to exploit onto your device should boot up with a little dim screen, or when the Ahmed Unlock logo is being shown on the screen, that is also fine. You have to wait for the exploit to say boot Ramdisk successful. So just wait for the successful message. So regarding the registration, you can DM me. I'll leave the link in the description for you to DM me, and I'll get your ECID registered at a cool rate. And for this video, I'm giving a promo. Just subscribe to the channel, give a like and leave a comment. For the first 5 people that do so will get free ECID being activated. Now let's move to the next step, which is the backup of our device. So just click on the button to get your device being backup. So wait for the backup to be done successfully, and after the backup we will proceed to erase our device. So here we have successfully backed up our device, and you can see that our device has been backed up. So we have to check our backup files before we do even erase your device. So just move to your AU Ramdisk folder, and in your AU Ramdisk folder move to backup and locate your ECID name in the backup folder. So here we have our ECID name in here, so just hide it and just make sure that you have your ECID name in the backup folder. Then open your ECID zip file and make sure that you do have the 123 file in there, and the Fair Play folder as well. So open the Fair Play folder and move to Fair Play. Open iTunes control, then iTunes, and make sure that you do have the icinfo.sisv. Now you can move back to the AU Ramdisk folder, or just close from the folder AU folder. Now we can move back to the device or the AU Ramdisk tool and erase our device. So just click on OK and move to the option that says erase device, and wait for your device to be erased. Okay, so let's wait for our device to be erased, and after the device has been erased, we will continue with the video. And for the registration, please make sure to contact me in the description. So after your device has been erased, you will not be able to sign in into or set up your device, which means you have a bonded Apple ID on our device that we have been forgotten the password. So just put your device into recovery mode again, and we will switch back to our computer and begin the last step for our device. So we just have to put our device into recovery. So when we are in recovery, we will switch to our desktop. So on our desktop, you can proceed with the AU Ramdisk or close from the AU and launch it as new. So here we have AU Ramdisk again. Just read your device info and then enter into DFU mode using the DFU option. So put your device into DFU. This step is as the same as we did to get our device being backup. So we just have to follow the instruction to get our device into DFU, and after getting our device into DFU, we will use the same step to get our device into PANDFU. Okay, so PANDFU done successfully, so we can now proceed to boot Ramdisk onto our device. So just move to the boot Ramdisk and click it button. So click on it and wait for the device to start booting, and here we do have this error saying please you have to select the iOS version. So we did not select the iOS version, so let's check the iOS version of our device. Then click on boot Ramdisk again and wait for the exploit to begin exploiting the Ramdisk file onto our device. Okay, so booting of the Ramdisk is also done successfully, so we can proceed to restore activation file onto our device to get our device fully activated. So just click on restore activation and wait for your device to be activated. So just wait for the device to be activated and receive a successful prompt from the AU Ramdisk tool. And after receiving the successful message, we will proceed to set up our device, and even this tool will even skip the setup for us, and we don't need to set up our device. So here is the successful message saying that our device is being activated, and we can take in OTA update, and we cannot erase or restore our device. So that's it. Let's switch to our device and show you that this device is fully activated. So here on our device is booting up, so let's wait for the device to boot up, and we have the device on the lock screen. So just the home key or swipe to get your phone on the home screen. So here our device is fully activated, so we can try to place calls on our device, and we will be able to make calls on this device, and also we will be able to sign in into our icloud ID. And with this, you have only this limitation that you cannot erase or reset your device. And if you do so by resetting or restoring your device, just use the AU Ramdisk tool to activate your device again. So regarding the download link for this tool, check this video description, and I'll leave the link in the description for you, as well as the registration link. And for the promo, only 5 people are entitled for free registration. So the first 5 people that leave a comment in this video will get free registration. So please, after doing so, just send me a screenshot and send me your ECID to get free registration. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. The name is Goroboy. Peace out.